We come to you today to discuss the recent decision by the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals on the U.S. market availability of the abortion pill Mifepristone, and the possible implications it may bring. Mifepristone is commonly used along with another drug called misoprostol for terminating a pregnancy in the United States and is currently the most common method for doing so. However, the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals has decided to impose restrictions on the drug's use and availability. The court's decision to roll back some of the changes the Food and Drug Administration had made to make the drug more accessible includes blocking the mail delivery of mifepristone, meaning patients will now have had to obtain this prescription drug from a doctor. Furthermore, the timeframe when the drug can be administered has been reduced from 70 days in the pregnancy to just 49. The 2-1 ruling, with judges Kurt Engelhart and Andrew Oldham, both appointed by former President Donald Trump, voting in favor of the restrictions, will likely challenge the Supreme Court's decision that overturned Roe v. Wade last year. This decision to roll back the availability of mifepristone could alter access to abortion even in states where it still remains legal. The government's response to these rulings is also up in the air. The Justice Department is certain to challenge the Fifth Circuit's decision, while Danco Laboratories, the distributor of mifepristone, has stated that they will take the case to the Supreme Court if needed. The court also discussed the Comstock Act, a 19th-century law that prohibits sending anything that would induce an abortion through mail. The Justice Department believes that the law does not prohibit the mailing of abortion medication if the sender does not have the intention of breaking any laws, though the court stated it did not have time to make any definitive conclusions on its application. The outcome of this court battle will have major impacts on the availability of mifepristone and whether or not people can obtain it, and therefore access abortions, in the United States. It will be crucial to keep an eye on the progression of this case as it moves through the courts, as it could shape the future of abortion accessibility in the U.S.